Well, it's April the 4th, guys. I'm about an hour outside of Chattanooga. I've been on the road here for about 2.5 hours, making pretty good time. Headed down to Wood-Mizer, Georgia for the meetup. It's 11 o'clock. I got 4 hours to get there. I told everybody 3 o'clock. I'm hoping to be there by 2. So hopefully if we don't hit any traffic or wrecks or anything like that or construction zones, we'll make it there on time. Famous last words right there. I'll probably hit a massive construction zone now and get put behind. Probably shouldn't have said anything. And in case you people are wondering, had some comments on the last video, I'm not getting my new sawmill today. I wish I was getting it today, but the mill I'm going to be getting will not be ready until the end of April. So that's not going to happen today, but more on that later. And also, guys, I'm taking some walnut down here with me to have sawed up at the project this weekend. I got a really nice 4-foot, 32-inch crotch log of walnut here in the back of the truck. We're actually not going to be taking this log back with us. A friend of mine who runs a sawmill down here in Georgia, who's going to be at the event, he has trouble finding nice crotch logs like this in South Georgia. So I'm going to sell this one to him while we're here. But at least while we're down here, hopefully Jake can have time to saw it up on his 70 and we'll get to see what's inside of it. I've been looking forward to this sawmill meetup at Wood-Mizer as much as I have the sawing project here this weekend. What are those people doing over there? Never fails. I am outside of Chattanooga, about an hour outside of Chattanooga, just passed through Knoxville. People in their pajamas. Must be a nationwide thing nowadays. Everybody just wears their pajamas. It's 10 after 11. People wearing their pajamas. And a lot of people throw that excuse up there, maybe they work graveyard. Well, maybe they did work graveyard, but if you go out in public, put some clothes on. Don't wear your pajamas in public. Jesus. My buddy Robert's going to be there. He's from Alabama. He's going to be at the sawing project this weekend, and he recently upgraded to a Super 70. So hopefully we'll get to take a look at that while we're there.
part of me, and you will forever be. But gone are the days now when we left. There is no asking why our love would come to die. You know the reason it's meant to be. For love is of sorrow,